Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to our new fantastic TV program, Stockholm Snapshots. I'm Mar from Spain, and from today up to the end of the season, together with my Turkish colleague, Özge, we are going to present this TV program, this fantastic, amazing, and unique TV program in Stockholm. Now, Özge.
Thank you, Mar. Today we will talk about our first impressions on Stockholm. We have two fantastic guests. We will talk with them later. First of all, what are your? Let's start with us, Mar. What are your first impressions on Stockholm?
Well, good question, yeah. So I think, let me see. That's quite a hard question, yeah?
Yes, I see.
So I think that the first thing that I really liked from the town when I arrived here was this combination between the sea, the water, you know, and this different type of particular architectural style of the buildings. Mm-hmm. What about you? What were your first impressions?
What impressed me most is the way the museums are designed, Mar. Because they have lots of hands-on exhibitions, and that's cool.
Right, yeah. Okay, now let's move on to first impressions about other European people around different countries, yeah?
Why not?
Now, let's start with Begoña. Begoña, an English teacher from Spain, yeah? She was really struck by the silence of the city, really. Actually, in Spain, the cities are much noisier, yeah, I can tell you.
Yeah, let's go on with Olga. She's from Czech Republic. She is a secondary school teacher. She teaches computer graphics and arts. She says that she is struck by the mentality of people, and they are really keen on being on time. Yeah, I agree with her.
Yeah, sure. Now let's move on to Loli from Spain as well. Yeah, she's a primary school teacher, and she's an English teacher in pre-primary and primary levels, yeah. And she was very surprised about the sunlight. Yeah, I can imagine why. The sun is out at 4 in the morning, and you wake up when it's already light out. Completely different from Spain, indeed.
And Georgia, she's from Greece. She's a secondary school teacher. She teaches physics and informatics. She expected it to be cloudy, but luckily we have been having a nice weather lately. Yes. And now we can turn to our guests, maybe, Mar.
Yeah,
what do you think?
It's time for that, yeah? Well, first let's welcome our two lovely guests today. We have Efia from the Netherlands and Nicoleta from Romania. Let's talk to Efia first, yeah? Hi, Efia.
Hi. May I compliment you on pronunciation of my name? Very well done.
Oh, thanks a lot. I've been practicing a lot for that. Thanks. Okay, so Efia, Georgia, one of the European teachers, she was telling us about the weather. She was quite surprised about the weather here in Stockholm when she got here. What do you think about that? You're from the Netherlands, a cold country.
Yes, I can imagine if you're coming from Greece, you're surprised to find lovely weather in Stockholm. Me, on the other hand, I'm really used to gloomy weather, and as some of my friends have told me, it's been raining all week last week over there. They even had hailstorms and thunderstorms, so I'm glad to be here, and yeah, I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah, so your first impressions, apart from the weather, could you tell us something else?
Yes, well, I was prejudiced, of course, like I guess any other tourist would be. So when arriving to Stockholm, I thought I'd find a population of just blonde people, tall blonde people, a bit like the Netherlands, but blonder. But it wasn't at all like that. It's quite a mixed culture here, I think, and people from all over the world and from different backgrounds, religiously, culturally. That's nice.
Yeah, sure. Actually, you just have to see all the people who is gathered here today from all different countries around Europe, yeah? No,
yes. Yes, what about you, Nicoleta? You are from Romania. What about cultural differences, and did you get a cultural shock when you arrived at Stockholm?
Actually, I've been to 14 countries so far, and I had some expectations, so I wouldn't say it was a shock for me when I get here. I expected people to be nice, to be warm, but I didn't expect so much. For instance, from my way from Ireland airport to get to Sandenberg, people were willing to help me, giving me the right information. Even some of them didn't speak English very well, but they were very willing, eagerly to help me, and that was really nice. I didn't expect that. As being a north region actually, I didn't expect them to be so attached to strangers.
Thank you, Nicoleta. Mark?
So, I'm so sorry to say that we have to leave it here for today. Yeah? I hope that is all right. Yeah, thank you very much for your fantastic impressions.
You're welcome.
Thank you. We hope that you will enjoy your stay here as
I'm
well.
sure we will.
Definitely, yes.
And for you, we hope we can see you here again quite soon. Thank you.
Thank you very much.